What's good, Stushy? It's your girl Stushy back with another video. My name is Stushy. To all the new subscribers, hey, how you doing? Very happy to have you guys join the gang. So I'm returning subscribers, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Girl, we're happy to have you guys come back to check out a brand new video. Today's video will be featuring this look right here that I have created for you guys, giving y'all some blue vibe. Being that the weather is now warming up, I'm trying to give you guys some nice colorful looks. So this is one of them. Easter is upon us. To all my Jamaicans, save me a piece of bun and cheese, I beg of you, okay? If you guys are American, you don't know about that. It's just don't watch it. So if you're interested in seeing how I created today's look, be sure to stick around for the video. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. That way you can be a part of the Stush gang, and be sure to click the notification bell button. That way YouTube can notify you every single time your girl uploads a video, okay? So with no further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my Fruit Sorbet palette by Violet Voss. I'm also going to be using my Eyes on the 60s palette by BH Cosmetics. So don't ask me what I'm gonna do first, girl, because I don't know. No, I think I do know. I'm first gonna start with a orange as a transitional shade. Going in with this as a transitional shade. I'm slightly working it into my crease area as well and just blending that out. I'm just going with the flow, so I'm gonna wet a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go in with my Eyes on the 60s palette and work this blue right here, this one right here, onto my outer V. So we already did our face, so we don't want to mess up that base at all. So I got a little powder there. She says, since you asked for pigments, I will give you pigments. If any one of you guys watching are looking to start purchasing some eyeshadows, if you don't have any eyeshadows in your makeup collection, or don't have a makeup collection at all for that matter, BH Cosmetics has a lot of cheap but pigmented eyeshadow along with ColourPop. And again, I'm just packing this in my outer V. I'm trying to keep it more contained. I'm not really trying to blend it out or do anything, just packing at first. I'm gonna bring it halfway in because I know whatever color I put down in my inner corner, I'm gonna have to blend those together. And I brought it up somewhat into my crease. Going back with my brush that I use for my transitional shades. I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White, and I'm gonna carve out my crease. Half cut crease, and then I'm going to go back with the blue, pack that again. Now I'll be going in with this blue. So this is what we have so far. Going back in with the blues and just blending everything right in the middle. Back on my orange. Now I'm going to start working on my under eye. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of my white base and put it right underneath. I'm going to use the yellow right in here in this palette. The birds are chirping away outside. I apologize if you guys can hear that. I'm gonna pack it right on top. that yellow there, I'm going to now be going in with this shade. I'll be going with this shade next, and I'll be putting it right underneath the yellow. I'm also going to use a little bit of the shade that I used in my under eye, and I'm going to bring it up right above the blue, just so that everything merges well. You know what I'm saying? If any pigment was lost during this process, I'm now going to go back in and reapply. I'm gonna apply some black liner in my waterline. I think we need some inner corner highlights, so I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I'm gonna blend the two and put that in my inner corner. Now let me draw a wing. It's not gonna be a crazy wing, it's gonna be a calm, little cute wing. Told you, nothing crazy. Now I'm gonna apply some lashes, some mascara. So lashes are on. Let me step off camera and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Once I add my highlighter and bronze it up and make it all, you know, let me do my thing. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are feeling the look. It is definitely another spring look. You could even wear it for Easter. I feel like you could definitely change up this look as well. You could do a lighter green and then a darker, like a forest green on the outer end, and maybe even yellow and orange right underneath again, or yellow and pink underneath again. That would look really nice. When I wear a really colorful look, I like to keep my lips very neutral. I like neutral lip gloss anyway. Kind of stepped out of the range of the bold and bright lipsticks, although I have a ton of them, so I really need to start incorporating them back into my makeup looks. But nonetheless, this look today is with a nude pink lip. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, or you need to join the gang. Okay, obviously you can see me bringing out lit looks over here. Okay, and summer is only gonna get better, so make sure you join the Stush gang. Be sure to click that notification bell button, that way you can be notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. So in the event that I put up another bomb ass look, you will be notified by YouTube. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.